Hi Zithandwa Zam, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, my name is Nomza. If you're a regular, thank you so much for dropping back by. Zithandwa Zam, today it is a Saturday. It's the 11th of Jan. Boo and I are going for a beach walk. So we are going for a beach walk. The time is 6:20. Our aim was to leave the house at 6 o'clock, but it's fine. We are delayed a bit. It's 6:20. The weather is looking good for a walk, so I'm hoping it doesn't disappoint us. Yeah, Zithandwa asambeni my age.
I tried to be your everything, gave my everything, I sold out. Now just look at me, how goes with nothing left. Hollow, emptied out, what got lost can't be found. You stole every bit of me, now I can't remember. Ooh, who I am, what I like, what I do, what I'm like when without you. Ooh, should've known you're too good to be true. You don't come around here no more. Why'd you have to let me go? Let me go, go, go. You don't think about me no more. Why can't I just let it go? Let it go, go, go. Why'd you have to show me heaven just to leave me down in hell? You don't come around here no more. Why'd you have to let me go? Let me know, no, no. Someday I will make you answer for all of your mistakes, but I'm way too weak now, crawling on all fours, searching for something to keep me from going crazy, but I'm way too deep now, I can't remember. Ooh, who I am, what I like, what I do, what I'm like when without you. Ooh, should've known you're too good to be true. You don't come around here no more. Why'd you have to let me go? Let me go, go, go. You don't think about me no more. Why can't I just let it go? Let it go, go, go. Why'd you have to show me heaven just to leave me down in hell? You don't come around here no more. Why'd you have to let me go? Let me know, no, no. I really thought that I knew. I really thought that I knew where I had ya. I really thought we would be. I really thought you and me were
Zami, we are done with our beach walk. We are about to step in La Emol. We need a few things. We need a lunch bag for Junior, lunch boxes for them, for the kids, PE outfits for SA2, but we're just going to buy just the shorts and a t-shirt for now. Just one, because she already has long pants and some shorts, but the shorts are getting small, the long pants are fine. So yeah, that's what we need. Otherwise everything else is done. Oh, Namakav, we need to cover her books this weekend also. So yeah, the walk was fine. How's the walk, babe? We did 13 something kilometers and about 19,000 steps. I'm going to put it here on the screen. It was a nice laid back walk, but it took us about a couple of hours, I think maybe 2 hours, because we were not rushing it, we were just walking slow. My leg, it's the devil. It's so win. Let's go inside,
오늘의 날씨 일기예보는 맑음 햇살 밝은 오후 무작정 어딘가 향하는 발걸음 너와 자주 걷던 거리 어쩌면 너무 익숙해져 버린 습관과 같아 매일 너랑 기억에 갇혀 살아 한없이 비가 내려 두 뼘 위로 이렇게 맑은데 차라리 빗물이라고 불러대면
Zithandwa, we are back home. We realized ukuthi ama-covers wadingi, they were on the initial list. stationery list. I don't know why I thought we have to buy them this year, because every year it's always part of the whole stationery list. So we just need to check if everything is there, because I did order from Walton's last year. So we'll see if everything is inside, and maybe tomorrow we will do we're going to start covering her books, which I doubt now cover. So what I did buy, I went to Checkers. I bought essay to this lunch box. It opens on the side. It opens both sides like this, and then on the side also.
I can put my fruits the side and then my bread at the other side.
Yeah, it's very nice. I think this was 80 rands, no, 70 rands. I think it's moving. For Ujunya, we got this one around the same price at Checkers. I always buy their lunch boxes from Checkers. I've gotten questions a lot about their lunch boxes from last year. I buy all of their lunch boxes from Checkers. Bottles, I sometimes during the year go to Pep and get them from Pep, but initially I always buy from Checkers. So Maui Vulalea Junior, it opens, it's got a 2 compartment at the top. So you can put snacks la, and then a pinda vale, and then bottles this is Junior's bottle. I prefer to get a straw for Junior because he usually struggles with level. This is very easy to open. Mana presela ayivule. Usisi for essay, so I bought this one. Ivalwa so nayo. Where was we bamba? These bottles were like 30 rands, 20 something rands. They're really very affordable. Show, go show daddy. Yo, akasasindi lo muntu engimphethe ma And then at Checkers, we just did a bit of a top up. Just got juice for them. Zoom. You can open it now if I fridge in. Buy it handy Zoom. We are going to swim, so hot dogs. I bought some stuff for my hot dogs. Got hot dog buns.
Bye, goggles.
Bought them donuts. Oh, it's hollow tape to cover her books. Some eggs, 18, just to top up. But we were so thirsty, we bought more water and we drank it, guys. What else did we buy? Oh, we got tomato sauce. We cannot survive without a tomato sauce. My kids love it. So it's almost running out. I decided to top that up. Chicken, fried pepper, 4.2 kg. Yeah, I'm gonna make hot dogs abo. I want Boo to dye my hair, but we're not going to do it today because it's a perfect day for swim. The sun is not out. Right? So we're going to do that. We're going to make hot dogs, have a cute picnic outside, and then swim. That's the plan.
I see that smile in those beautiful brown eyes, girl. I hear your voice, it whispers in the dark. Yeah, you make it right, yeah, girl. Everything in my life, you changed my story, yeah. You've taken me so far. I'd cross the ocean for you. Dive into the deepest sea. My soul is sold out for you. I'd give you everything that you need.
Zithandwa, yo, kuyashisa ke manje. The sun is coming out. And earlier the sun was not out. I'm even sweating. I want to get into the water, but the kids are still having their snacks. When they're done, then we'll dip in. Did I show you guys my nails? These are stick-on nails. I did them last night. So beautiful. I bought the pair from China Mall, but I still used my glue from my previous set. Yeah, let me put on sunscreen. Come back. Come back, Mr. Hill.
My baby. Mama. You can never get to
No.
you never get to
Of the water. Clouds today.
I know you've heard it all before, but you are the love of my life. I knew when you came through the door that you are the love of my life. Nothing's hard, everything is easy with you around. No bombards, everything is easy when you come around. Hold on now. I remember meeting you in a dream, thinking that's the love of my life.
Hilton,
Most handsome man
You want to go
I've
back?
ever seen. I said you must be the love
you're
of
going
my
back into
life.
the water. Don't take it, puppy. No, dirty.
Hold on.
No, dirty, daddy. Daddy.
Nothing's hard.
Daddy, my boy.
everything's
No!
easy
Daddy.
with you
Daddy, papa.
around.
Wait, mommy.
No bombards, everything is easy.
Daddy has put together
You
the
come
camp house
around.
over there. Dinner is getting in.
Hold on now. Don't let go. Don't let go
Hey, you must sleep.
of me. Don't let go.
Yeah. Hilton, namatahula.
Don't let go.
Mr. Hill.
Nothing's hard, everything is easy
Lapho for sure.
with you around.
There's Daddy
No
there.
bombards, everything is easy.
Say hi, Daddy.
You come around.
This is splashing into the pool.
Hold on now. Hold on.
Zithandwa, mina nje sengiphumile kwipool because I need to cook. What's the time? It's 15:42. This is my husband's phone. Yeah, ngiphumile because I need to cook dinner. I just showered, but uHilton naye ngiphume noHilton. Hilton uselele. Kade mlalisi uneni wakhe. He's sleeping. Oh my god, angifakile microphone. Bengithe ama-lashes ami azophuma wonke yaze manzi indlela nje. The way I went wild in the water, I thought all of these lashes will fall down, but okay. You can see for yourself, they didn't. They did not. I sometimes get questions about my skincare routine and what I use. I use the Glyco range from L'Oreal. Everything from them. So this is the serum. There's it. What I've just used is this toner, also from the same range. And then I use the day cream or the night cream, depending what time it is. But for now, because I think say ngisemanzini for too long, I just want to use the Epimax because I know my eczema will start making an appearance. So ngcono nje ngiyiprepare ngifake Epimax. Oh my god, ngiphize ngiyagcoba ngenzani ubhuma iphuma ephuli. when I'm done cooking, uzomdaya. I was going to dye my hair. I show you guys the dye that I got. Oh my god. Lento ke manje bemhlophe kanjena ke. Sengazuthi ngislima ke manje guys ngiqokile. I have a towel, please YouTube. I have a towel. They was naked la. Let me show you the dye. This is the dye in Ecto. It's the shade caramel blonde. Hopefully angifanele juice angiminile kanje angisabi. Angazi noma izoba right yini. Angazi, I'm not sure. Yeah, babe. Angzong. Looks like they want to come out also. Let me go check what they need. Awe manzi amhlophe. Oh. Awe manzi amhlophe. Enye into ke nje igas sethu iphelile. Kwi gas stove ngicela ukunixoxa into engayibuzanga. So I'm gonna have to use the 2-plate stove to cook. Lapho I'm making a million no boo because we're on a diet, and then a meal for the kids and my helper. Like yo, stuff senza kancane because nje akekho umuntu ophumayo manje. Sivuke go 5:30 going for a walk, and then when we came back we went straight to swimming and we were doing laps. Manje it's 3:45. Ngeke nje ubhuka for umuntu driver nami nje angifuna ukudrive. I'm just gonna try and cook with the 2-plate stove and then dye my hair and then relax, guys. Ngifuna ukulala, ngifuna relax, khathele. Kusasa we're going to church. It's our first service for the year. We didn't go the past couple of weeks because we had visitors. So yeah. This is the 2-plate we bought when we were renovating our house and we couldn't use the kitchen. So it's coming in handy. Let's cook.
Usually I don't post. Usually I don't post, but I want the world to know. Time to pull a drop tops out. Summer nights, it's a vibe, yeah. We've been keeping it in the house. Netflix and chillin', I GDM'in', yeah. Didn't wanna share my love till I found someone I'm sure of. Young and untamed, I've been out of range, keeping it low. But I wanna be bold with it. Don't care who we told about it. Wow, baby, got a hold on it. Let love unfold tonight. They'll be calling us gold. No lies, so fair with it. You can let them stare at it. Now I'm prepared for it. Instead of love out loud, since we ain't going nowhere. So tonight, baby, meet me. Timing's right, so right. Our romance to be, can't deny. Love the things we do when it's just us two. But tonight, meet me outside. Usually I don't post. Usually I don't post, but I want the world to know. I'm a good catch, but I never let him catch me. No, I never let him claim me. Wild thing try to tame me, but you got my mood on sunshine. Let's take a trip, souls on big smile. Let's hit this lake, stars are in line. I'm posted, lay with me in the moon.
Zithandwa Zam, welcome to a new day of this vlog. Welcome, welcome, welcome. It is the next day, it is Sunday. As you can see, who colored my hair last night very late. We go 10 because I took a power nap after swimming. I slept after swimming and cooking. I slept, I think I slept around 2ish. Was it 2ish or 3ish? But I only woke up at 10, guys. Like 9:30 to 10, somewhere there. Because when cut hair, and I took pain medication because my leg was troubling me. It still is troubling me. So yeah, we are about to shower so we can head out to church. After church, I want to go to Clicks and find something for this pain because it's unbearable. It's so painful. I think I made it worse by going for that 14-kilometer walk yesterday. So and then I swam afterwards because I thought swimming will help, but no. And then this morning I wake up feeling fluey, so I'm about to make myself hot lemon and ginger water with a bit of honey. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do, guys. I don't know, what do you think about this look? Do you think I look good or not? Let me know.
It's cold outside, but the fire keeps us warm. We can spend the night beneath the mistletoe. It's cold outside.
Take your towel, I'm coming. I like it. Senza okuningi nje elangeni izolo. This is my OOTD. I'm wearing this blazer from Fushini. Top is that Skims dupe from Mr. Price. The skirt is Shein, and I'm wearing my H&M shoes and my Zara tiny bag. Yeah, asambeni Zithandwa Zam. Let's go to church. How does my makeup look? Asambe.
Name a better duo. So why do we do this dance? Are we moving too slow? Cause you need reassurance. Don't conflate issues. Why you always jump to? Do I really want you? When you know that I do. You so scared of real love. Cause you've been.
Zithandwa, we are done with church. We had a nice service, but in here there were a lot of distractions because we usually sit in the section where there's kids because we Hilton and also preschool like I go be corner because it's school holidays, so there was no Sunday school. Yeah, so it said to junior, all of them were with us, and there was a lot of other kids and parents as well. So nje staff, distractions. Some kids were making noise. Hilton was also grumpy, like he's grumpy right now. He wants to take a nap. The scripture that was read was Romans, I think Romans 12. What's wrong? Now he needs my attention. But yeah, Sifundele verse Romans 12 in the New Testament. It's the verse that talks about not returning evil with evil. So like, don't retaliate if someone does bad to you. You rather do good. That was the verse. And the pastor really unpacked it really well, but it's just that I was so distracted. Like, I'm so bored. Anyway, we parked outside Bluff Meats because Boo wants ox liver. So he's getting ox liver so we can have isbindi for breakfast, because the time now is 10 o'clock. Our church starts at 9, finishes at 10, and then we're gonna stop by at Clicks. We need to get some meds for my leg. I think I told you guys this morning. And then go to Heather's, look for Junior's lunch bag, and then go home because I'm really not feeling well. My leg, it is so painful. My heels, so at least I'm gonna my sandals. Yo, my kids are so loud. Zithandwa. Asambeni, let's just go.
What's it like to be the one that he turns to when he's out of answers? What's it like?
Are you getting any cracking sound? No cracking sound, anything?
It's just painful. Like, I even tried
to. The kneecaps.
No, it's
the muscle.
Yeah, it's the inner part of it.
The strong anti-inflammatory we have over the counter.
What is it? Is it a tablet?
Yeah, it's a tablet. But it's strong for 3 times.
Okay.
You get one for once a day. You always check out. The other option would be ginger again.
No, I've been using Maybelline.
Yeah, Maybelline, ginger.
Oh, okay. Alright,
That's a strong one here.
Nothing else. Okay, I'll try this and see if it works. And then can I also have tablets, allergics?
It's midnight, oh, I'm thinking about him. I have got him on my mind, but he doesn't know my name, and I'm running out of time. I wish you felt the same, and I'm acting stupid like every day. Don't know what to do or what I should say, 'cause I have got him on my mind, but he doesn't know my name.
I bought we're back home. I bought the lunch bag for Junior. The only thing about these lunch bags is that they don't have badges, but you know what? I don't have time for all that admin. I bought a big one for Junior by mistake. This is the one that I bought for SS. So they're going to swap because lunchbox SS doesn't fit on the small one. They're gonna swap around. And then we got them pizza, their favorite pizza, barbecue chicken. SS no Junior. I didn't hear you guys say thank you.
Thank you, Mama, for the pizza.
Did you show them your outfit? Your church outfit? What were you wearing? You were wearing crop top at church.
Yeah.
And you're wearing your Crocs.
I'm excited for school for Crocs Day because I'm going to show them my new Crocs.
Juju?
Your mom. Your mom.
Zithandwa. I'm just gonna show you my little shopping as a clicks I bought heads from Libres. And then these pencil liners, I prefer these because they are individually wrapped. They are individually wrapped, so it's easy for me to throw them inside my bag. My girl, this feminine wipes, you need this. You need this feminine wipes. Oh, and then the medication that I went for my leg, he gave me this, what is it being called? Mortifine. It says for targeted pain, so I'm hoping it'll help me. He said I should drink 2 per day for 6 days. For 2 per day for 3 days. If it doesn't help, then I have to see a doctor. And then that's not saying I'm allergics because I've got allergies. Tengelo sipho sethu roll on, guys. Sesila no sipho sethu sesila we roll on. I still can't believe it. So I've got a big girl who's turning 8 this week. And then a refill yama hand wash. We are out of this. At Bluff Meat is like I said, Upo is going to make it because he makes it. Oof, he makes it very scrumptious. So I'm waiting for that meal, guys. I haven't had anything to eat. The time now is 10 to 12, so I'm so hungry. Did I tell you how much the lunch bags are? Leia Junior, the one that I bought today that's slightly bigger, at Heather's, it is $170. Can't remember how much the other tiny one is, but I'm so glad I made that mistake of buying a bigger one because lunchbox here is you know, and also she needs something bigger because she's going to grade 3, you know. Yeah, Zithandwa Zam, I'm closing off the vlog here because I want to eat. I want to eat, take my medication, and relax. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a huge thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't. I love you guys so much. Don't forget to share this video on all your social media platforms.
You're gone now, will you coming back? Yeah, I know that. Yeah, I know that. You're the traveling kind. It's a known fact. Yeah, I know that. Once you've seen all the things, all the places, I hope it means that you'll come home to me. Once you've traveled the world, all the spaces inside your
ingane namaphule emakubo vele icasuke nje mfethu ingene emanzini ma can't do this anymore water mina mangicasukile mfethu anginalo ngisho ikamera mengiyohlala eTuck shop no Teddy ngize ngibuye ngo9 ebusuku